Hi, just a quick notification and possibly warning video as well to other YouTubers. A fan of a fellow electronics YouTuber, Jordan Pier, JPdylon on YouTube, he emailed me and said, hey, did you know that Jordan's channel has just been deleted, like in the last 24 hours or something like that? Now, I didn't know about Jordan's channel, but apparently, he had 7,000 subs, almost 2 million video views. Looks like he's been doing it since 2006, and he does apparently really good vintage audio repair stuff, because he actually has an audio repair business, Classic Audio Repair, and apparently every single one of his videos are just, detailed repair videos of, classic audio type stuff, and he was doing, fairly well. In fact, he had a recent uptick. This is the Social Blade, he was gaining like 10 plus subscribers almost every day, an uptick 1,000 to 2,000 video views per day and things like that. Wasn't earning anything from it, but, producing, from what I hear, really good content, and poof, gone, deleted, just like that. So anyway, I have tried to contact Jordan, so I'll let you know in the comments. I'll pin a comment down below if we hear any updates. And Big Clive has also mentioned this as well. He just did a live stream going, what's up here? And also user Shango66, who's looks like 41k subs, also a fellow, looks like possibly other like vintage repair type stuff. He's done a video on this, and look, he's shown that this account has been terminated due to multiple or severe violations of YouTube policy against spam, deceptive practices, and misleading content or other terms of service violations. Thank you very much, YouTube. Now, from what I've been told from one of his viewers, like, he never posted anything controversial at all. It was just repairing electronics stuff. So, yeah, apparently, like, he never swears in his videos, apparently, it never does any, it's just pure repair type stuff. So everyone's baffled as to why this has been deleted. But Shango66 also says this happened to his channel years ago. He talks about some glitch to do with Google Plus or something like that. So hopefully, it's obviously a mistake. Apparently, it's just been terminated. So I don't think Jordan has actually deleted his channel. YouTubers, like, sometimes they just go, oh, I've had enough, I actually delete the whole thing. But no, apparently that's not the case. It's been terminated. So hopefully he can get all of the videos back. Here it is, deleted. Everything's just deleted. Everything's gonski. So yeah, not great. And here were like some of his videos, servicing a vintage Lloyd's stereo system, Sears, Toshiba, Zenith TVs and stuff like that. Yeah, that's just crazy. Big Clive speculates that it may have been something to do with like a keyword type thing, electron gun, because it's got the word gun in there, right? But no, it's like, it can't be that. So will his video be taken down? Yeah, no, you wouldn't get your entire channel deleted like that. So that's just nuts. Anyway, yeah, Jordan, there he is. G'day, Jordan. I hope you get your channel back, because this is absolutely ridiculous. So this brings me to, I've been saying this for years, but a lot of YouTubers just like, either they don't listen, they don't care, they think it can't happen to them. It can. You can get your channel deleted, just like that. Bingo. Even it doesn't matter how big you are, it can just go poof. You get 3 strikes in a row, you get a targeted attack or something like that, or possibly in this case, it's obviously a glitch in the algorithm. The bot has determined that, the channel should be deleted, which is ridiculous, by the way. If I was YouTube, if I became a YouTube CEO, the first thing I would do is instigate automatic protections for YouTube channels, say over a certain, once you've reached a certain limit. Your channel is absolutely protected from termination, and it should, from automatic bot algorithm termination, it should require the sign off of the YouTube CEO to delete a large popular standing channel that has long-standing reputation for producing quality content. It's just ridiculous that YouTubers just live in fear of having their channel instantly deleted, and you can get it. If you get three, as I said, a targeted attack, 3 strikes in a row. A lot of YouTubers got 3 strikes in one day, and boom, their channel's automatically terminated. It's just ridiculous. You know, you can put a decade worth of work into your YouTube channel, and it can just be gone like that. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, I've been saying to YouTubers for years, spread your content out, diversify onto other content platforms. I keep telling you, it's so easy. 5 minutes work. You don't have to do anything. Sign up to library.tv. Seriously, and they'll auto port. As soon as you upload a YouTube video, they'll automatically import it and put it on library.tv. So I'm up to 36,000 followers at the moment on the library. It's absolutely incredible. And I'm also on BitChute as well. I've only got 1,450 subscribers. I'm not growing over there, but once again, it takes bugger all time to sign up for this, and they'll auto import your content. BitChute will only import it in 480p, unfortunately, whereas Library imports it in full quality. Full 1080p. So it's, yeah, that means there's a few buffering issues with viewing your videos on Library, but that's like, it's just a, it's a bandwidth streaming sort of, limitation kind of thing. But anyway, BitChute as well. I'm on Vimeo as well. By the way, if you want the highest, I upload my original files onto Vimeo, and technically the best quality video you're going to get from me will be on Vimeo. So because YouTube add extra compression, well, so does when you stream it from Vimeo, but Vimeo's higher quality. Anyway, I've got it on Vimeo. I've even got it on my EEVblog, my own server as well. You can get my 720p podcast versions as an RSS feed streamed from my own server. So I've got and I'm also have a lot of 700 old videos on Daily Motion, and I'm not uploading to Facebook, although I have a Facebook account, but I'm not uploading native videos to there because there's no automatic process to do that. But library.tv and BitChute are both automated processes. Every YouTube content creator needs to be on these platforms, and Library in particular. A lot of tech YouTubers are coming over to Library. Big Clive's on there, and a whole bunch of others, DefPom and others are on there. So yeah, please do that. It's just it doesn't matter what you think of these platforms. Have your content over there because, by the way, fellow debunker Thunderfoot, he just had one of his videos taken down today. It was up there for 30 minutes after he released it, and it was pulled due to community content violation, because he was talking about face masks, and he was debunking face masks or something to do with that or something. And this is absolutely ridiculous. You need to have your content automatically put on other platforms. So now YouTubers like myself, if your channel gets deleted, I can't go check out your channel or check out a specific video to see if there was anything truly wrong in there that justified having your video taken down. But if you've got it automatically backed up on other platforms, you can go, well, here it is. Look, there's nothing wrong. There's nothing in there that's against YouTube policies. And then you can have people, fight for you. But if you don't have copies of your videos out there, people just go, well, I don't know. I haven't seen the video, so I don't want to defend it. You might have said something bad that justified being deleted or whatever. So, yeah, have every YouTuber get on these alternative platforms. You're crazy if you're not on there. Absolutely crazy. Anyway, I hope Jordan gets his channel back. And yeah, there he is in his lab there, or workshop, because he does this for a business, repairing vintage audio and stuff like that. So if I hear from him, and hopefully he'll get it back. It's got to be some glitch, bot glitch. It seems like there's nothing he said or did that justified having his channel terminated. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, fellow content creators, big or small, let that be a lesson to you. Even if he gets it back, you don't want to risk having this happen. It's just absolutely ridiculous. And have alternative platforms and be on Twitter and Facebook or whatever, other Instagram or whatever, so that you can actually tell people about it when this sort of thing happens. You can get the news out, and then point to your videos on your alternative platforms. Anyway, there you go. Hope Jordan gets his channel back. And when he does, subscribe. because if you like repair stuff, because I've heard they're really good. So I'll check it out myself when and if, hopefully, gets the channel back. Anyway, comments down below. Catch you next time.